Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a simple welcome message in ManyChat for free in 2025. A welcome message is the first thing your new subscribers or customers see when they interact with your chatbot, and it helps set the right tone. Step 1. Log into your ManyChat account and go to the Automation tab in the left-hand menu. Step 2. Click on Welcome Message. This is where you can create or edit the first message that appears when someone joins your bot. Step 3. Write your welcome message. Keep it friendly and short. For example, you can say, "Hi, thanks for joining us. I am here to help you with updates, offers, and support." Type menu to see options. Step 4. Customize with buttons or quick replies. ManyChat allows you to add buttons that link to your website, show products, or start a conversation flow. This makes your welcome message interactive. Step 5. Once you are happy with your message, click Publish to activate it. And that is it. You just created a simple welcome message in ManyChat 2025. Now your chatbot greets every new user automatically. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what ManyChat tutorial you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.